What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Look who's here. Mr. Rodney.
Check that.
Actually, oh my God, this guy.
Read it.
Anyways,
So they understand.
today we are gonna be swapping out the radiator with this beautiful CSF radiator. Got that, and then I got a few other pieces. We're gonna swap out the reservoirs for the ACD,
No, I understand.
and then also the one for the coolant reservoir, and then this pipe as well. So the reason why I'm getting rid of this is, as you can tell, the manifold sits way too close to this upper radiator pipe, and that's pretty, I don't know, I'm just not comfortable with it. So we're gonna swap this out, and then we'll also get rid of this fan that's touching that portion right there. It's touching part of the turbo, the compressor side. And then eventually I'll clean this all up because this got all messed up from when it was sitting for 3 weeks. There's a bunch of stuff that obviously dirty down there, and then a few things got rusty and whatnot. And then we can start finally adding some engine dress up parts. I got bolts for everything, and then we could put the ARC stuff as well. So things are looking good. I was supposed to race this thing last week, and we got rained out, and then looks like the track guys are going to you see all that? Yeah, I know, I'm pissed. The track guys are going to some sort of event, so the track's gonna be pretty much closed for the next couple weeks. So unfortunately, I won't be able to race this thing for a while. All right, guys, here it is. I'm recording with my phone. I forgot my camera, but it looks like the quality will be just as good, if not better. But here it is, this beautiful CSF Racing. Yeah, that good shit radiator. One of the biggest things that we're excited about is it has the little clips right there for the hose right here. Notice this garbage. That's not garbage. It's a Mishimoto, but like it didn't come with the right thing, so that was always a concern of it hitting the manifold. So we'll get rid of that. And I ended up measuring it, and this is approximately, so the radiator itself is a 1/2 inch thicker, the Mishimoto one. So this one's 1/2 inch thinner, and then the fan is about the same size. But you got to remember that this fan originally came with the shroud. So if it had the shroud, it'd be almost a whole inch in space saved, which is a lot if you think about it, because that would obviously save all the issues we're having. So overall, this should be pretty good. Hopefully it's a smooth install. I also got a Stm Reservoir that'll replace the stock one over there. Here's a new one. And then I also have an ACD reservoir as well, which I was originally going to do all three. I was going to do the power steering one, but power steering one looks fine. It's black, so it's not that big of a deal. I think it kind of goes well. I'll just clean up the cap a little bit. But yeah, this should clean it up a lot better. And then I can start cleaning up the engine bay. And then obviously this one has the hose that's straight through. So this is from STM, and it should just go like that roughly, give or take. But yeah, hopefully it's a smooth install.
Clean. Not really a big mess.
Quick update, got it out, and we're about to put the new one. We got the little things that go at the bottom right here. Everything looks pretty good. One more other thing we're gonna do while the car is like this is we're gonna recalibrate the wideband. So I'm gonna see if we could try to get in there and pull the wideband sensors out so we can recalibrate it. All right, guys, quick little update. I went ahead and started using some of this stuff to get some of the rust off, and this stuff is fucking amazing. Like, I cannot believe how well this stuff works. All you need to do is just, I don't know if you're able to tell. I hope I got some shots of the rust before, but this whole side of the engine was rusty. You could still see some up top, and it just completely ate it away. This stuff was rusty as well, ate it away. This car sat for 3 weeks while it was waiting to get painted. I went ahead and hit this. This didn't come out that great, but everything else I put it on, it has cleaned it right up. Those bolts right there had some rust. That little plug down there, as well as this one, you'd still see a little bit there. But that stuff is amazing. I did not expect it to work that great. So shout out to Rodney for introducing me to that. It's amazing. All right, guys, quick update for you. Got the radiator out. One of the cool things about this is it comes with these cool, I don't know what to call these, just friggin' turnstile fittings. Instead of, so these, if you wanted to weld them on, you could. And basically, you just do it this way and then you tighten them up. And that's basically it. And of course, CSF provides you with all the stuff. So this is for the fan that goes, it obviously goes right there on the shroud. And yeah, pretty cool overall. All right, guys, welcome back. I don't think I gave you a final look at the final product. It was a little bit late when we got done yesterday, but this is what it looks like. And look how much room we have now compared to how it was before. Like that fan on the Mishimoto one, we had to actually trim it. If you look back at some of the previous videos, you'll see that I had to trim it because it just extended like to like almost like right here. So this gives you a lot more clearance and you're able to see a lot more too. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's one last look at that. I do have the new one. I just don't feel like making a mess. Looks like you're gonna have to obviously undo these 2 bolts and then 2 clamps down there for the 2 hoses. I just don't feel like making a mess right now, so I'll do that in the future. I got a lot more stuff to do this car. I gotta clean this whole engine bay up, or I can't wait to get rid of this freaking thing. I know some of you guys think it looks cool, but I don't. I think it looks absolutely terrible. It honestly makes me cringe every time I open this hood and see that. But I'm gonna be getting that powder coated soon, so, and then adding little bits and pieces. Obviously I got all my ARC stuff. I got the new one of those, and all titanium hardware, which I do have, by the way. So this engine bay should look pretty decent once it's all said and done. All right, guys, take it easy. Peace.